Hello everybody, I'm going to be conducting my Glo Germ Project experiment, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the different type of soap, and we're going to see which one works better on removing the bacteria, or in this case Glo Germ. And we have Dawn Ultra here, we have Ajax, and we have Dial hand soap, and we're going to test it, see which one works better, and we're going to be keeping everything else the same. We're going to use the same sample size of Glo Germ, and we're going to spread it out the same for all of them, and then we'll take a picture of the hands and you'll see that's the same. And then we're going to use the same temperature of water, which will in this case will be cold, and also the duration of the hand washing. We'll do 20 seconds as CDC says that's how long you should be doing it for, and then we're going to get the results and I'll show you guys the results. Alright, so we're going to start off with Dial hand soap. First we're going to do is get about a pea size of the Glo Germ, and make sure you shake it well before you use it as well. And as you see, about that much. I'm gonna make sure I rub it in, get it in the nails, get it all over the place. Back of the hands. And then with the UV light, you can see the little sparkle around the hands. Check this hand, wow, you can really see it there good. All right, and then now we're gonna use the Dial hand soap, and we're gonna put about this much. We're gonna keep that constant, the same amount. And now I'm gonna start the timer for 20 seconds and I'm gonna wash my hands. Make sure you get the soap everywhere. Really scrub it just how you put on there. Rubbing, licking the fingers, and then rinse it off. If you go a little bit over the time, it's not that big a deal. Towel. Stop the timer. And then now I'll show you the results. Here you go. As you can see, not much. You can see a little bit is still on there, but it went down a lot. So there was a little bit left, as we can see a little bit on the hand. All right, and that's Dial. So now we are going to do Ajax. So same thing again, close the container, shake it well, and put a little, about the same size in your hand. Rub it in, get in the nails, back of the hand. Okay, now again, we're gonna make sure you see the stimulated germs on there. Yeah, as you can tell, you can see all that. All right, and then now we'll get the Ajax and put about the same. Right here, that's the soap. And then we're gonna start the timer for another 20 seconds and wash the hands. Same thing as with the other one, make sure you just wash your hands good everywhere. Same as you did with the Glo Germ. Make sure you really rub it in. And then rinse. All right, I'm gonna dry my hands and show the results again. Turn off the timer. All right, and here you see under the UV light, not as much. As you can see, I would say probably with the Dial there was a little bit more left on there, but not a lot is on here. Like a little spot right there, a very small amount. All right, and then the last one we're gonna test is Dawn. But first, you have to close the container. And then you gotta wipe this off, and I'll just put my finger a little bit. Shake it up again, just how we did before. Put the same sample size, not that much. Close the lid, and rub it in. And between the fingernails, on the back of the hands. Make sure they're good. And then we're gonna check it under the UV light again. Let's see, you can see all the germs on there, on the nails, look at that. Here. Good. All right, and then we're gonna put put the same sample size of Dawn, about that much. And then we're gonna start the 20 seconds again. Make sure you rub really good. This one's got a lot of bubbles on it. Rinse the hands. Same thing as the last time. And stop. Stop the timer. Wash the hands good. Alright, and then here with the UV light, as we can tell, not as much, but there is still a little bit on there. The nails mostly got off, but you can still see a little bit. There was a big spot on the back of my hand I saw, and it's no longer there. So we can tell it's working pretty well. And yeah, so that's the 3 test. I would definitely say Dawn did the best. As you can tell, there was very minimal amount left on there. The Ajax, it worked really well, a lot better than the Dial, actually, sorry. It's Dial, not Dawn. And yeah, I think Dawn is the best soap you can get to wash your hands. Thank you, everybody. Hope you learned anything.